I'm going to show you exactly how to make keto-friendly porridge.
You'll be doing things you don't like doing in order to go on living, that is, to go on doing things you don't like doing, which is stupid.
Here you go, sweetie. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do, it's a bit of a vlog slash I'm going to tell you how I make my keto friendly porridge, so stick around for that. I'm just going to pop to the gym now, try and film a little bit of my workout as well in the gym, so it's a bit of like a fitness, healthy vlog. We'll just go with that. Hopefully it should get you pumped and motivated to smash the gym, because I've been in a little bit of a slump lately, so I know exactly the feeling of when you just kind of fall out of your routine and you just need a bit of motivation to really get back into fitness and healthy eating and all that jazz. So let's go and smash the gym. Hello, I am back from the gym. Before I make the porridge, I'm going to quickly dye my hair using this Night and Wilson colour Freedom. I've not actually tried this one before. It's in the colour Misty Grey. Hopefully it turns out nice. It's like that colour. I think that's what kind of colour it's going to go. But my hair is quite ginger, so I just need to sort this mop out because it just looks really ginger and horrible. What I have been using lately is this one because it's non-permanent. Superdrug own brand. It's vegan friendly and it only lasts 3 to 10 washes. It turns out a really nice colour. If you see me with blue hair lately, I would have been using that. Then we're gonna make keto porridge, so make sure you stick around. If you want to skip this segment, then you can skip to this, straight to the keto porridge. But who doesn't want to see me dye my own hair and see if it's a fail? You might want to stick around, you might want to stick around. So let's change it to something a bit more appropriate. Okay, that's better. I'm not going to ruin the gym tops. Let's start dyeing the hair. Hello. Okay, I've got a bit of explaining to do. So I dyed my hair. I think that was the last clip that you saw. That was yesterday. And then I just got caught up with lots of work. Had to do a blog post for an event I went to. And it just got a bit cray-cray. So I postponed the rest of the filming until today. For you, it's a couple of seconds. But I'm gonna make the keto-friendly porridge now. I need you to sit on a stand somewhere. Let's find you a stand. Okay, so for the keto-friendly porridge, what you will need is some ground golden flax seeds, some unsweetened soya milk or unsweetened almond milk, and for taste, I'm going to be using some cinnamon, and I've also got this sugar-free syrup and sugar-free white chocolate flavour drops. I don't know which one I'm going to use, and there's something else that I usually put in. Oh, coconut oil for fat. So I'm going to start off by weighing the flaxseed. Got my scales here. 25 grams. And then I'm going to do, there's 1 gram of carbs per serving. 125. Okay, so I do 100, in fact, I'm gonna do 150 ml of that. And then I'm gonna bang that in the microwave. Actually, I'm going to put a dash of cinnamon in now. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add in, when it's nearly done, I'm gonna add in some coconut oil for the fats. And also, if you try and get some peanut butter that hasn't got sugar in, this one is per 100 grams, 5 grams of carbs. So if we use 10 grams, that's like 0.5 grams of carbs, which is pretty good. I usually use the rule of thumb because it's 25 grams of carbs a day. How I would do the split is try and live by the 7 grams of carbs for breakfast, under 7 grams of carbs for breakfast, and then I would split the rest for lunch and dinner, because if you start hitting like the 10 to 12 mark when you are just eating breakfast, then that's quite a big chunk of your carbs already gone for the day. That's how I would usually live by that rule. So I've just worked it out. All in all, it's about 2 grams of carbs for this breakfast. I hate it when that happens. Quite hot. I'm gonna put a tablespoon of coconut oil in, which gets the fats up. So how much fat is in that? 15 grams of fat per tablespoon. Right, and I'm just going to put that inside, mix it up, and also it gives that gives it that creamy kick as well. I'm going to put it in for a little bit longer because it's still a bit liquidy. If I add some peanut butter, oh yeah, I did. God, I've got hardly any peanut butter left. Okay, I hate it. Look at that. That's so sad. Oh, for God's sake. I tried to make it look nice, but I've just spilled loads of cinnamon all over it. This is what it's looking like. So it kind of does look like porridge. Let's try it. And you can put less liquid in and then it makes it thicker. It depends on how you like your porridge. Hot. The first time you have this, the texture is a bit gloopy, but you do get used to it, and I feel like this is a really good substitute for porridge. Like, seriously good. If you normally have porridge in the morning and you miss that kind of like thick grainy texture, because obviously on keto you can't really have grains. Well, you can, because flaxseed, is that classed as a grain? Who knows? And I will leave a link down below for the sugar-free syrup that I use. Obviously, it's not good to have loads of the sugar-free syrups, because people do say that that can kick you out of ketosis. But I usually use the xylitol, I think it is, the keto-friendly sugar, and stevia, and that the syrup is made of stevia. So